Hello there, my friends. So today I want to show you something on YouTube. This is about how to disable auto-generated captions from saying inappropriate words. And so the reason you might want to have, YouTube is going to generate auto captions. That's what it's going to do. And that's actually a good thing because it's going to be good for the SEO. The algorithm's going to hit twice whatever you write in your caption. If you write like something in your description or in your title, when you say it in your video, it's also going to get picked up. And that's good. That's good. It's going to make you get more views. But you don't want it to say something that you don't want it to say, right? So maybe that's foul language, or maybe it's something that's not exactly PC. And by PC, I don't mean personal computer. So I'm going to show you where the setting is for that. And so what you want to do is you want to get into YouTube Studio. So right here, you're in YouTube Studio, and this is your channel. And you go down here to Settings. So in the left-hand column, all the way down, the gear-shaped thing, Settings, click on that. And then you've got these choices over here. Go to Channel. Hit Channel. Here's where your description is, your keywords. You definitely want to fill this out. And then go to Advanced Settings. This is where you get to pick up your audience. So if you want to make sure that you always have this set for if this is right, that the channel does not make content specifically aimed at kids. So push down a little bit, scroll down, and it'll say automatic captions. And then there's a checkbox here. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. Auto-captioning occasionally makes mistakes. This setting prevents potentially inappropriate words from being displayed. So we're going to keep that checked on. And then you got a couple more options here. So all right, that's how you do it. That's where you find it. And if this helped you at all, please smash like if it had any value. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for listening to my YouTube tips and tricks.